Right guys, now what was that? It was a sneak peek from my latest short film, Inverse, which was all shot on the Canon R5, all shot in reverse. Definitely the most complicated thing I've ever tried to shoot. Now, massive shout out to Adorama who gave me the R5 back in August, so I've had it for a couple of months and I absolutely love it. Shooting on 8K 30 frames per second is definitely changing the game. So I wanted to show you a little bit of the behind the scenes as to how we actually created this film. If you haven't guessed yet, the movie was inspired by Christopher Nolan's Tenet. Now, he is my favourite film director, and after seeing that movie, I was inspired to shoot something completely in reverse. So we filmed all the behind the scenes because we were doing some pretty crazy things, like putting an R5 on an FPV drone. Okay, Remy, what is going on here?
Alright, so we have the Shen drone stick right here with the Canon R5 mounted to it. Basically, this is called the center lifter right here. 8 motors. Super beast.
Oh, whoa. Oh my. Issue on everyone's mind regarding the R5. Now, I've had the camera for 4 months and I've not experienced this once, and I've shot across probably 5 different projects. Now, I am more of a run and gun shooter, so my takes typically don't go on longer than a minute or so, but I haven't experienced the overheating, and as a result, this camera does not have any of the flaws that I've been reading about online. Hey guys, so I hope you liked the video. Definitely one of the most complicated things I've ever shot in reverse. Now it is time for the credits. I'm gonna roll the outtakes.
Get up, man. Load up, load up, load up. He wants to get on my I'm T-shirt and this is Jackass.
Oh my god. Oh.